Alright, now after the chart, the easy chart, we will do the bar chart. So if you see in the last example, I'm using these PLC tags to change the value. Like now it's at 60, and here this is increasing and decreasing. So we will see how we can make a bar chart, and simultaneously we will also see how bar chart can read from the database. So in this example, bar chart is reading from PLC tag and also from database. So let's do that. So this is our screen here. So I will take one bar chart, and let's say this wants to read the value from the tags, initially from the speed 1 and speed 2. So I will select this bar chart and go to its properties, and here you see it has 5 rows and 3 columns already defined, predefined. So I will open this one, and I don't need these tables, so I will delete all of that. Okay, I need my own table. So let's take, we have okay, we need to delete the columns as well. Okay, I need to see how I delete it. Okay, let's take column position 0, and let's take this column as the first one is our speed. This is basically similar to this column. So I'll take speed and I'll take string. So that's my speed, and my second column is value. So value, and its position is 1, and this value is integer. Now I will add one row, and now I can delete this label. So delete this north area and south area as well. So we have speed and we have value, so we have 2 speeds and 2 values. So I will take another row. So I will write here speed underscore 1, speed underscore 2. So this is basically the same procedure the way we made this table. So we have these 2 values. Now we have speed 1 and speed 2. Well, now we need to link these values with the PLC tag. So we need to link these 2 with the PLC tag value, similar to what we did in the table. So I will click on this link here, and now we'll go to cell update, value 1, add, and the tag will be speed 1, and again add another one. This will be speed 2. Simple. Click OK. Oh, there was some error. Oh, I'm sorry, this is 0 and this is 1, so this is row 1. Now click OK. So you have seen the values are coming here. This is speed 1 and speed 2. If you want to check it, I will go online and I will reduce the value, and the value is reduced now. So the value is 20 and 60. This as well, and I can increase it. Now it's 85. You see the range is changing. So we have seen the values are coming here, but if you want to show it like more in a more impressive way, you can show order by column. So now you have the series blue and this is red, and bar chart type could be a 3D bar, it could be a stack bar, or it could be 3D stack bar, or a layered, or it could be area. So you can define which kind of chart you want. So you can see 3D bar, and if you want to change the color, if you don't like these colors, so click here, the series 1, I can make it orange, and series 2, I can make it a bit green. So I have this bar chart which is reading the value from PLC tag. So let's write a comment here, bar chart from PLC tags. Okay, pretty easy. Now a similar way we will make a bar chart which will read the value from our database, like this one. So in this case, take a bar chart again. Now this is also quite easy, just like we did in this table, reading from database. So copy this one, paste here, bar chart from database. Okay, now select this one. In this case, I will not select rows and columns, just select the link and SQL query, select star, where's the star, from sys.test. This is my database, that's my table. And I need a polling rate which is 1 second. Okay, click OK. Oh, some problem. Let me see that again. Did I use the correct system.test? Oh, I didn't select the database connection. Yeah, database CSE. Click OK. Now you have this bar chart coming from the database. So if you see the values 25, 78, 45. So this value is 25, this is 78, 45, and again if you want to change the color, change it to row, and you have different colors here. So this was about reading from the database. Now if you want to see the changes here, if I make changes in the table, I can show you. So let's use an update query. Let me make it bigger. Where is the update? Yeah, this is the update query. So let's update the value 3 with 100. So price, let it be 100 and value 3, and I update it here. So this is the 3, this is the green one, and once I execute, now it's 100, and you can see that this is 100, and here as well. So this is how you can quickly read the value from the database in the Ignition SCADA, and this is to read the value from the PLC tag. So you have both the options, either to read from the database or to read from the PLC tag. So this was about the video on bar chart. Similar way, we'll see in the next video how to make pie charts. So I'll see you in the next video.